Well, darn it. We'll see how this shakes out. Water dropped probably, well, a good 6 inches last night. I can see that one trap there is set off, which is why I will set some snares today, because it won't make a difference on how darn it. You can kind of see some good spots up there, and that's where I'm going to put some of the snares. This one looks like I can see the rod. It looks like the trap is gone. That was set underwater. Let's see what we got here. We go up to this feed bed. Darn it. You get a little disappointed when the water drops like that. That kind of throws a wrench in everything. Besides, this feed bed is just crazy. Now, the only benefit about the water dropping is I may be able to get in and find some of the runs, because it's too deep otherwise. Yeah, that rod completely. Oh my crap. Now, I would have to believe that there's probably something in that one there. I will double check it. But look at that. That is just crazy. Yeah, there's got to be a beaver in there. If you look, and you can kind of see all of the scratchings where they got caught. What I'm going to do is I'm going to also put a snare up on top there. That doggone water dropping. Anytime the temperature gets cold, it seems to do that. So I'll go ahead and pull that and see what we can get going.